Hi friends, today I am sharing the recipe of crispy fried onion rings. The recipe is super easy, quick and tasty. So let's begin and let me talk about the ingredient and the procedure that you will follow. First of all, we need 2 medium size of onions, 4 tablespoon of all-purpose flour that is maida, quarter teaspoon of red crushed chilies. I will add half teaspoon of national chaat masala, salt quarter teaspoon or as per your taste. I will use some breadcrumbs to coat the onion rings. So let's begin the procedure. Step number 1. Peel off the onions and cut them in a form of a ring. Separate each of the ring from the onion slice. So this step is completed. You can check the thickness of the slice, like you have to maintain this thickness. Add half teaspoon of chaat masala in a 4 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Next we will add salt half teaspoon or quarter teaspoon of red crushed chilies. Mix them well. I have added almost half cup of water to make the batter. Mix them. So you have to maintain the perfect consistency like that. Okay, this is the perfect consistency. It can be easily coated over the sliced onion. So take a ring of onion, nicely coat with this batter. Next step is to coat with the breadcrumbs. So I have the breadcrumbs, coat with the breadcrumbs. It should be nicely coated. I am putting them in a separate plate. So I have repeated this step for all the rings. So this is the time to fry them. So preheat the oil for almost 5 to 6 minutes, adding onion rings in the oil, and we will let them fry for almost 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. So wait till we have nicely fried them from both the sides. Wait for 2 minutes, then turn off the side and let them fry for the opposite side. After that, it could be ready for serve. So then let's dish out them. This is the final look. It's super easy, quick and tasty. You can serve them with some tomato ketchup or a garlic chili sauce. Thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. Take care. Goodbye.